export YouTube comments of specific video in Notion automatically. So here, every time a new comment is arrived on specific video of my YouTube channel, I will automatically save those comments in Notion. In this way, me and my team can keep a track record on all the comments that are being posted on my specific YouTube video. And not just into the Notion, one can collect the YouTube video comment data in Google Sheets, Airtable and MS Excel as well. Want to set this automation for yourself? Come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. Now to automate this process, I'll have to connect a YouTube application with Notion, and I'm going to connect these two with the Pabbly Connect. It is an integration and automation software, and I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so you can see I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account, you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now, once you will reach to the dashboard, click on this blue button that is create workflow and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided the name as export YouTube comments of specific video in Notion. Okay, now click on create and then you will notice two boxes in front of you. So these are trigger and action. So here trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. And according to our use case, whenever any new comment is arrived on specific video of my YouTube channel, basically in YouTube application, then automatically add those comments in Notion application. Alright, so I have selected YouTube and Notion in this trigger and action window. Now the idea here is I'm going to connect these two applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. So here you can notice I have already selected this application. Now I am going to select the trigger event. Okay, so in this particular case, I want that whenever a new comment is arrived on a specific video, that is why I will be going with this particular trigger event. Just in case if you want to collect the comments of whole channel, in that case you'll have to go with this trigger event. Okay, so first let me select this trigger event. Now I'm going to click on this button connect, click on add new connection, click on connect with YouTube, and then you'll have to provide the access of your YouTube account. Well, I have already provided this connection because I have already built this connection. Okay, so I can also go with that existing connection with that previous connection. Okay, clicking on save, and this is how my YouTube application will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking to select the channel name. Okay, so I have the channel name as demo channel, so that will be the same. Asking for the video. Okay, so whatever the content available inside my YouTube studio have started visible here, all the videos have started visible here, and I want to fetch the comment of this specific video, that is how to contact the Pabbly Connect team. Okay, so let me search for the same video. Alright, here is the same video, that is how to contact the Pabbly Connect team. Now I am going to click on this button and you will see whatever the recent comment has been posted on this specific video, the comment details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so you can see response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. So this is the latest, the recent comment, that is nice video Sergi. Okay, and we also have the date and timing of the comment. Okay, now I am going to open the same video in front of you, and then I am going to post a random comment as an author, as a user, as a subscriber, and you will see how the details will be collected via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so this is my video. How about I post some random comment? Well, I have already prepared a comment. How about I directly copy this comment and paste it here? This will fasten up my process. Alright, so I have pasted the comment. Hey man, the video is awesome. I need your help in setting up an automation for my healthcare website. Can you record the video on the same topic? Okay, let me click on comment button. Alright, so the comment has been posted. Now I'm going to click on this button once again, and this time I'm really expecting the data of most recent comment, and here you can notice the details are here, and it is the same comment, that is, hey man, the video is awesome. I need your help in setting up an automation for my healthcare website. Can you record video on the same topic? Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that connection in between our YouTube application and Pabbly Connect is working working absolutely fine. Okay, now I am going to save these comments in Notion. Okay, so the application is already selected. Simply select the action event, that is create database item. Okay, and just like we have connected YouTube and Pabbly Connect, now I am going to connect this Notion and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply select this add new connection, click on connect with the Notion, and it will ask the access of your Notion application. Well, I am already logged in into Notion account, so here you can see instead of asking me the access, it is asking me for the permission. Okay, so I'm going to click on the select pages, and currently I'm providing the access to all the pages. Okay, so I have selected this, and here you can notice this is the Notion table I have created, that is all comments of YouTube video, and I have provided the access for the same. Clicking on allow access, and this is how the authorization will be successful and Notion will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. And here you can see it is connected. Okay, so firstly let me show you the name of the page, that is all comments of YouTube video. Okay, now it is asking the databases. Okay, so whatever the databases I have created inside my Notion application have started visible. So here you can notice employee details, inquiry list, and the same pages are visible here also, that is employee details and inquiry list. Okay, so I will select this all comments of YouTube videos because I want to add the comments data in this specific database in this specific page. Okay, and here you can notice as soon as I have selected this page, these columns, these fields are also visible. Basically these are the same columns which I have added inside my Notion application. Here you can see I have added this comment, date of comment, and the author column. Okay, and these three columns are visible here also, that is comment, author, and date of comment. And the last column, the last field is the default content, the default field. Okay, so now I'm going to provide the details one by one in these fields. Okay, how I don't need to manually copy the above data and paste it here. I'm going to map the above data, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, so now I will search for the comment. Okay, so I have the comment as this: hey man, the video is awesome. Okay, so I have mapped this detail successfully. Asking for the author, so let me also search for the author name. Well, this comment has been posted by this demo channel. Lastly, it is asking for the date of the comment. Yes, I do remember that we have received the date of comment as well. Alright, so here we have the comment date. Okay, so I have mapped all the details. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I have mapped here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time, and if I will provide any detail here manually, this detail will remain same. Okay, so this is the power of mapping in this automation. Okay, and mapping really plays a major role inside this automation. Now I am going to click on this button, save and send test request. Finger crossed, wait for the response, and I am really expecting that my comment data will be posted. Why it is showing 404 error? I'll have to check. So it is saying body failed validation and body properties comment multi-select option. Okay, so let me check the same. This is my Notion application and this is the comment column, and if I will edit the property, alright, the type of this property is actually multi-select. I'll have to change it into the text format. Alright, so I have done that. Let me click on this refresh button. Okay, in this way everything will be refreshed. Basically the changes will be refreshed here. Alright, so I have refreshed the changes. Let me click on this button once again, and this time I am really expecting the data to be saved automatically in Notion. Alright, so here you can notice this time the positive response is received, and let me check my Notion application. Let me first refresh it. And here you can notice the details have been updated automatically. Okay, so let me show you things. This is the comment, that is, hey man, the video is awesome. I need your help in setting up an automation for my healthcare website. Can you record video on the same topic? And here we have the date of the comment, and here we have the author of the comment as well. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that connection in Notion and Pabbly Connect is also working absolutely fine, which means our automation is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, what will happen, every time someone is going to post a comment on this specific video, the details, the comment details will be updated automatically in Notion. And in the same way, you can collect the data of comments in Google Sheets, MS Excel and in Airtable as well. And to do that, you just need to select that specific application instead of Notion. Okay, so now onwards, what will happen, every time someone is going to post a comment on this specific video, the details will be added automatically in Notion. But here you'll have to notice that this trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. Okay, so what will happen, in every 10 minutes it will fetch the new data from YouTube. Okay, so just in case if your data is not getting updated in real time, don't bother, you'll have to wait for at least 10 minutes patiently. Okay, just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of this automation into my description box. So you just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.